Ma- Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Come on, rude boy, you're the big enough. Come on, rude boy, Hey, take it. Yeah. Come on, rude boy. Come on, boy. Mom! What? We have company? What are you doing? FYI, why are you dancing like that? I thought you was a Christian. Not every day sing praise the Lord and read the Bible, you know. As them say, the Lord made the world and everything in it. Even on the 7th day, him take a rest. And who knows? Maybe he was doing just like me. I broke him down. Broke him.